Are you getting enough protein? 10 signs you might be deficient. Today we're talking about a crucial building block for our body's protein. It's essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and so much more. But many people might not be getting enough protein without even realizing it. In this video, we're diving deep into the 10 signs and symptoms that could indicate you're not eating enough protein. Let's get started. Muscle loss. Is your body eating itself? One of the most noticeable signs of protein deficiency is muscle loss. When you don't eat enough protein, your body might start breaking down muscle tissue to get the amino acids it needs for essential functions. If you've been working out but not seeing the gains you expect, or if you notice your muscles looking smaller or feeling weaker, a lack of protein in your diet could be a major culprit. Brittle nails and hair loss. Protein deficiencies affect on appearance. Protein provides the building blocks for keratin, a protein that's crucial for strong, healthy hair, skin, and nails. If you're noticing brittle nails, thinning hair, or dry and flaky skin, it's worth examining your diet to see if you're falling short on protein. Feeling drained? Protein's role in energy and fatigue. Protein plays a vital role in providing your body with sustained energy by stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Without enough protein, your blood sugar levels can fluctuate wildly, leaving you feeling tired, weak, and unable to focus. Boost your defenses, protein, and immune system strength. Protein plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system by helping produce antibodies. When you're not consuming enough protein, your body may not be able to produce enough antibodies to fight off infections effectively. Brain fog. Protein's impact on mood, focus, and mental clarity. Protein provides the building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain that regulate mood, focus, and cognitive function. When you're not getting enough protein, these neurotransmitters can become depleted, leading to mood swings, irritability, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating. Strong bones, strong body. Protein's role in bone health. Protein helps your body absorb and utilize calcium effectively, ensuring your bones stay strong and healthy. Always hungry, protein deficiency, and increased cravings. Protein is incredibly satiating, meaning it helps you feel fuller for longer and reduces those pesky cravings. When you're not eating enough protein, your blood sugar levels can fluctuate, leading to increased hunger and cravings, especially for sugary and processed foods. Slow healing and recovery. Protein's role in tissue repair. Protein is essential for tissue repair and wound healing. Without enough protein, the healing process can be significantly slowed down, increasing your risk of infection and complications. Edema and swelling. A surprising sign of protein deficiency. Protein plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance in your body. When you don't have enough protein in your diet, your albumin levels can drop, leading to fluid retention and swelling, especially in your feet, ankles, and hands. From childhood to adulthood, protein's impact on growth and development. Protein is crucial for growth and development throughout life, especially during childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. A lack of protein during these critical periods can have long-term consequences, affecting height, bone density, and overall health. Outro: get enough protein, feel your best. So, there you have it. 10 signs you might not be eating enough protein. The good news is that it's usually easy to correct with simple dietary changes. Make sure you're including plenty of protein-rich foods in your diet, such as lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health tips.